How to Fix ChatGPT Card Declined 2026 Guide. Having trouble upgrading because your card keeps getting declined? Don't worry, here are the fastest fixes. Step 1. Check card details. Make sure your card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing zip code are 100% correct. Step 2. Match billing address. Your billing address must exactly match what your bank has on file. Step 3. Contact your bank. Banks often block online or international payments. Approve the transaction or call your bank. Step 4. Switch browser, clear cache. Try a different browser or clear cookies and reload the page. Step 5. Try another payment method. Use a different card or PayPal if available. Step 6. Check system status. Visit OpenAI status page to see if there's a payment issue. Step 7. Disable or use VPN. Turn off your VPN, or try a supported region if needed. Final tip, if nothing works, contact OpenAI support. They can fix account-level issues. That's it. Follow these steps and your card decline problem should be fixed quickly. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.